Why is it important to include all children in co-design?
Every perspective matters.
That's the nature of co-design, right? The nature of co-design is to be inclusive, to get any end user
With different experiences, backgrounds, skills, abilities.
to be part of the design process, because every one of us encounters technology in some way.
We need to hear all voices.
If we design for children and people at the margins, you're automatically including everybody.
Sometimes you might have a child that has different abilities on your team, and that might require some different resources.
We're going to work with their trusted adults, get more of a sense of how they work, right? Because it's all about trust and relationship building in order to get that co-design insight that you're looking for.
We might say, I might be sitting with one child for the whole session. Even as we change and do different groups.
You might want to add more time to it so that they have more time to respond to you.
It's a lot about dialogue, reflection, and individual work that then moves into collaborative work. They have to be able to, at least the kids I worked with, have to be able to tell their experience, and then they move out from them to others to mix their ideas with others.
Giving them that extra facilitation allows them to more actively contribute.